Hey guys, it's Kelly. I'm going to show you something that is a guilty pleasure and also give you a tip on how to keep these pads to last a long time. So this is one of my favorite things to do when I just need to chill. Literally, if you take one of these little pokey things, if you don't have one of these, use a needle. I'm going to bring you in really close and show you how satisfying this is. Don't you judge me. Don't you dare. I got to dig these out. I already did some of them. The paper gets stuck in there and you just go and dig it out. It's like one of those things that you do that's instant gratification. And then when you get a big piece out, oh my God, it's so satisfying. I compare it to like Pimple Popper, Dr. Pimple Popper. If you guys are grossed out by that, sorry. But it's like one of those instantly satisfying things. You just dig these little things and you trace the lines and you dig them out. And that is just, I don't know why it's so satisfying. This one here, this is fairly new. But if you follow the ridges, you can get the little papers out of there. A better option, you know, if you're just watching videos or whatever, or you're getting some, or you're listening to something, whatever. If you dig these out, especially the white ones, check it out. I'm sorry, I find that so satisfying. All right, so you can do that. Also, I learned this from Jennifer McGuire. Let me get back out here. I learned this from Jennifer McGuire because these are, over time, all those little pieces get embedded there. Like this side is looking pretty bad now. If you boil some water and you put it in your sink and you dunk these in there for a little bit and you use a scrubber, you'll get all that out of there. Just let it soak in there. It'll break down the water, it'll break down the materials in the paper, and it'll bring it out and it'll look fantastic. Here's an example. It will wind up. This one was just as bad as this one. Literally just as bad. And I just cleaned it this weekend with boiling water. And now I'm back in business. So that's how you can clean these and get the most use out of them. Because I don't like it when they get too grooved. If you get it too grooved in there, then you actually see it on your paper where you don't want it. And that's not good. Do you have to go buy a new pad eventually? Probably. It depends on how much you're using it. But this is a way to get them to last longer. These ones, you know, if you're like me and you want to dig that stuff out, do it. Feels great. It's like instant gratification. I'm sorry. I think that is magical. But some of them are embedded a little bit too deep and they're a little bit hard to get out. So you just boil some water, put it in there, and it'll save them. So I hope that helps you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you did like it. Hopefully this helped you. And share in the comments with me. What do you do to keep these clean? What's your trick? Brushes, toothbrushes work good too, just to get into the little things, you know, but boiling water has been the best option that I've found. So let me know what you guys use. All right, thanks again. More to come.